Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peach sorbet at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe peaches, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. These simple components are the foundation for a refreshing treat. Ensuring your peaches are perfectly ripe is key to achieving that vibrant, natural sweetness and smooth texture. Let's get started with preparation. Now let's prepare those beautiful peaches. Begin by washing and peeling about 2 pounds of ripe peaches, then carefully remove their pits. Next, slice the peaches into smaller pieces, making them easier to blend. Transfer the peach slices to a blender, adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Blend everything until you achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent puree. This step is vital for a silky sorbet. Once your peach puree is ready, it's time to chill it down. Pour the mixture into a container and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This chilling step is crucial for achieving the ideal consistency when churning. A cold base freezes more efficiently, resulting in a smoother sorbet. After chilling, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. You're almost there. After churning, your sorbet will be soft, like a delicious soft serve. Carefully transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. This final freezing step allows the sorbet to firm up to a scoopable consistency. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then, scoop and serve your incredible homemade peach sorbet. It's a perfect, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.